Meta has introduced a new AI model called Voicebox, which can produce speech in various languages and dialects and act as a tool for editing audio. Voicebox is an impressive text-to-speech AI model. In this video, I will explain what Voicebox can do, how it works, and why it's groundbreaking. I will also discuss its potential applications and implications, as well as why Meta hasn't released it to the public yet. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel for future videos on AI news and updates. Voicebox is an AI speech generator that takes text as input and generates natural-sounding audio clips. It can imitate different voice styles using just a 2-second sample and produce speech in various languages and dialects. It can also edit and clean up audio clips by replacing incorrect words or unwanted sounds seamlessly with speech. It can transfer the style of one voice to another, allowing you to speak in a foreign language using your own voice. Voicebox is unlike any other AI model in its category. It uses a technique called in-context learning, which enables it to perform tasks it wasn't specifically trained for by utilizing existing knowledge and data. For example, it can generate speech in languages it hasn't been trained on by leveraging multilingual data and common patterns. It can also adapt to different voice styles and accents using audio samples and text cues. Voicebox surpasses other speech-generating AI models in terms of advancement. It generates speech faster and with greater accuracy than its competitors. First, let's discuss its capability for text-to-speech synthesis. Voicebox can generate speech from any text input by using a 2-second audio sample as a style reference. For example, if I provide Voicebox with a text message from a friend and a 2-second clip of their voice saying hi, Voicebox can read the message in their voice, matching their tone and inflection. This is incredible because it means that Voicebox can mimic any voice style with minimal data. It doesn't require extensive recordings or transcripts to learn how someone speaks. It can use any audio sample as a reference and generate speech accordingly. Think about the possibilities this feature offers. You can listen to messages from loved ones in their own voices instead of reading them on a screen. You can have your favorite celebrities or fictional characters read stories or jokes to you. You can even have your own voice read anything you want. Let's talk about speech editing and noise reduction. Voicebox can remove unwanted noise from audio clips and replace misspoken words with the correct ones. For example, if I have an audio clip of me saying, "I love this new AI tool," but there's a dog barking in the background or I stutter on a word, Voicebox can remove the noise or correct the mistake, reproducing the speech flawlessly. It essentially acts as an audio editing eraser, capable of fixing any imperfections in an audio clip with ease and precision.
Sammy and Penelope's heartwarming friendship inspires joy. Sammy and Penelope's heartwarming friendship inspires joy.
This feature has numerous practical applications. You can easily and quickly modify your podcasts or videos. You can rectify errors in speeches or presentations without having to re-record the entire content. You can effortlessly change the words spoken in your audio while maintaining its style and sound quality. Voicebox has another incredible feature called Crosslingual style transfer. This means that Voicebox can generate speech in different languages using the same voice style. For example, if I provide Voicebox with an English text passage and a 2-second clip of my voice saying bonjour, Voicebox can read the passage in French with my voice and accent. This is truly amazing because it allows anyone to speak a foreign language using their own voice. It doesn't require translations or parallel data. Instead, it utilizes multilingual data and common patterns to transfer the style of one voice to another. This means you can communicate with people from different countries and cultures in their native languages using your own voice. You can also learn a new language by hearing yourself speak it. Additionally, you can create multilingual content with a consistent voice style. Another feature of Voicebox is diverse speech sampling. With this feature, Voicebox can generate multiple speech samples from the same text input, each with different voice styles and variations. If I give Voicebox an English text passage and ask it to generate 10 samples, it can produce 10 audio clips with different voices, accents, tones, and emotions. This allows for diverse and natural speech samples from any text input. It doesn't require style labels or guidance. By utilizing various types of data and random selection, Voicebox creates different types of speech. This feature can be helpful in creating more realistic and expressive voices for virtual assistants or metaverse characters. It can also be used for data augmentation or evaluation purposes. Now let's discuss some possible uses for this technology. One potential application of Voicebox is to assist visually impaired individuals by having their messages read in familiar voices. This can help them feel more connected, comfortable, and supported. Imagine having your messages read by your loved ones in their voices or hearing your favorite book narrated by the author or narrator you admire. Content creators for videos or podcasts can also benefit from this technology. It allows them to easily create and modify their audio tracks, making them more efficient, creative, and adaptable. They can quickly produce and modify their own content while maintaining quality and consistency. Voicebox has numerous applications that we are still discovering. It is a powerful and adaptable tool that opens up new possibilities for speech creation and communication. However, before getting too excited, there is an important aspect to consider. Meta has not released Voicebox to the public yet. Thanks for tuning into our YouTube channel, and remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome content.